Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to run payrolls in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now, the first step is to access payroll. Now, in QuickBooks, navigate to payroll from the left-hand menu and then select run payroll. Next, you're going to select the pay period. So choose the correct pay schedule and period that you want to process. Make sure you confirm the pay date. Next, review employee hours and pay. So go ahead and enter or confirm hours worked for hourly employees and verify salaries for salaried employees. Next step is to add any adjustments. So you want to include bonuses, overtimes, commissions, or deductions if needed. Next is to preview and confirm. So double check totals, taxes, and deductions, and once accurate, click submit payroll. The final step is payment processing. So if you're using direct deposit, QuickBooks will process it automatically, but for checks, you want to print them and distribute. A pro tip is to always review payroll reports after running payroll to ensure accuracy in payments and tax filings. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.